Hi, this is Jamie Hamilton, the Executive Director at the Special Needs Schools of Gwinnett, and today I'm excited to join you for a deeper dive into how the GaSSO giving program can be a profitable tool for pass-through business owners. If you are joining us for the video today, I hope you know that the GaSSO program allows any taxpayer in the state of Georgia, personal or business, to make a donation to private schools like SNS for the creation of scholarships. And by doing so, you as a donor will be made whole through a 100% Georgia state tax credit. You are made whole as a donor. We as a school receive those funds and are able to distribute them to students and families in need, break down the financial barrier of that educational experience, and provide them the best possible environment that we can. The better news is for pass-through businesses, there is also options for federal deductibility, which can literally change a charitable contribution into a profitable investment. We're going to focus on that element today. I'm at the GaSSO website, georgiasso.com. And if you scroll about midway down on the left-hand side, you will see a series of announcements, the bottom one titled Federal Tax Information. If you click that link, it's going to bring up a PDF document that talks about this program and this pathway in more detail. This is all based on an August 2020 definition by the IRS that specifically addressed pass-through entities making payments to charitable organizations like GaSSO and how that payment can be classified as an ordinary and necessary business expense deduction. So there are really a few important things that you need to know about as you consider whether this is a deduction that your business can claim. The first is that this payment or charitable contribution needs to be made with the expectation that doing so will create awareness of your brand, will create goodwill within the community, and ultimately help engage new customers and be a profitable investment for your business. It is essentially a marketing or an advertising spend, just like you would do through any other channel within the community to help create brand awareness. And if you believe that doing so will make that impact, will create that awareness, will create that brand recognition, then you are eligible to classify that contribution as an ordinary and necessary business expense. The rough value of that is approximately 30%. And so if you can confidently say that, not only will you receive 100% of the value of your contribution back through the state of Georgia, you can very likely receive an additional 30% back through your federal returns by reducing your net taxable income. So the best way that I can explain whether or not this is an appropriate option for you as a business owner is if you operate within the Gwinnett community and the services or the products that you offer are used by the general community, the folks that we as a school, within the network that we have and within the social circle that we have influence over, if those folks are your customers and us telling the story of you as a business being charitable, supporting our organization, telling them about your brand, how you serve, and encouraging them to do business with you, if that will help drive new customers and ultimately bring new revenue and profit to your business, then this is absolutely a wonderful deduction for you to take and very much within the confines of the applicable tax law. Of course, we always recommend that you reach out to your CPA, your tax folks, review this with them. But we have talked to many CPAs, many tax professionals, and if you have a direct pathway to say that this is my customer base and doing this just like any other marketing expense will help engage them, bring new customers our way, then this is a very straightforward deduction. Now, in 2023, S corporations, LLCs, partnerships, pass-through entities of this nature, each owner is empowered to give up to $25,000 if you have that tax obligation. Again, 100% of that value will come back to you through a state tax credit. And in this example, if you were to give $25,000 and make this federal deduction, the value of that could be roughly $8,000. And so a wonderful charitable contribution that will do all of the great things that you intend it to, like any other donation to a nonprofit, all of that happens, but you as a business are not only made whole, you can return a profit on that donation. There are very few opportunities to do the right thing, to make an impact, and do it at a profitable in a profitable manner for you as a business. This is absolutely one of those opportunities. So I encourage you to visit the GaSSO website, take a deeper look at that document, send it along to your tax professionals, reach out to me if I can help explain this in any more detail. But we certainly hope that you'll consider this as an option. The students and the families at special needs schools certainly appreciate you doing that. If I can be of any help, please reach out to me via email, j.m.hamilton@specialneedschools.org, or reach me directly on my mobile 301-524-6156. And all of this information is available on the GaSSO website. That is georgiasso.com. Thank you all very much, and hope you have a wonderful day.